We're here in London for an immersion trip. These are week-long excursions that we organize for our founders to embed them in different ecosystems around the world.
We started out with ATS Africa Tech Summit London, which is really cool.
Spend a lot of time in closed-door sessions helping them think through the strategies and the milestones that they need to attain before they go back to their next fundraising round.
I loved this week. It was so good to meet more of the Madica team in person, but also just meeting other founders that Madica believed in, and I totally get why. So for me, I will be going back to Lagos and really being able to share a lot of the insights that I learned, start implementing a lot of those, especially thinking about this upcoming quarter and what we want to execute, how we want to look, and what we want to be doing in the next 1 month, 2 months, all the way to that 18-month plan based off of a lot of the work we did this week. I'd 100% recommend Madica as investors and as partners, connectors, growers, and enthusiast supporters, or whatever positive word you have for ecosystem players. Honestly, being genuinely focused on making sure we are open to the wealth of opportunities that they can connect us to, but then deep diving into the things that are most relevant to us. I'm looking forward to the next immersion session. I'm looking forward to meeting the new companies that they invest in and onboard and will join us. And I'm excited for all the work and all the value that they really will bring to Earthbond as a company.